It is a autosomal recessive disorder. In this, the mutation occurs on the autosomes. Due to this, the enzymes tyrosines are disturbed. Due to the disturbance of enzymes, the amino acid phenylalanine does not convert to tyrosine. Due to this, the phenylalanine converted into other derivatives and stored in the various part of the body. The accumulation of these amino acids takes mental retardation in the affected person. This is a phenylketonuria. Next is color blindness. Color blindness means blind for certain colors. In this disease, the affected person does not identify or distinguish to the colors, generally red and green colors. Red and green colors. Due to this defect, the affected person does not appointed for the post pilots, driver, painter. It mostly takes place in the white species and does not in black species. Mostly 85% are normal, but 10% are 10 to 15% are affected to them. Inheritance. When the cross makes between normal male with carrier female, then the offsprings are as normal male, carrier female, XC, X, XY and XY. The probability of this chart represent 50% females are normal but carrier, whereas 50% females are normal. They does not contain any genes of the color blindness. 50% males are normal and 50% are affected to the color blindness. The second condition is carrier female cross with normal male. X carrier female, XCY, X normal male, XY, so XCX and XCY, XXY. Here the probability of springs is as the 50% females are carrier, 50% females are carrier but normal. And 50% females are normal. Females are normal. 50% males are colorblind. Males are colorblind. And 50% males are normal. And third condition is normal carrier female marry with, cross with colorblind male. Color female XCX and colorblind males XCY. XCX, XCY and XY. Here we observe that the 50% females are colorblind. And 50% are carrier but normal. And 50% males are colorblind and 50% are normal. So this is the inheritance of color blindness in the humans. The next disorder is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. In this disorder, due to the defect of genes, due to the mutation, the formation of mucus is much. Due to this, the mucus is deposited in the duct of glands and abnormalities occurs in them. Generally, exocrine glands are affected to this disorder, that is sweat gland and pancreas and other glands. The next disorder is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. The mutation occurs on the chromosome number 11. Due to this defect, the shape of hemoglobin is disturbed and not in normal shape. Due to the defect of genes, the amino acid glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Due to the replacing of glutamic acid at the beta 6 position of the beta globin chain, its shape is polymerized and deformed and contain a sickle-like shape. Sickle-like shape. Due to the changing of this shape, it does not carry proper oxygen in the blood and the problem in breathing. The affected person of this mutation is composed of HBS recessive genes. The inheritance of this disease is as HBS. The cross makes between HBA, HBS, This is the affected persons. When the cross makes between heterozygous male and female, the mother is heterozygous form and father is also heterozygous form. So then the 50% chances the offspring have HBS genes which are affected to the sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. And next disorder is thalassemia. It is also autosomal recessive disorder. In this, due to the mutation takes place on the chromosomes. Due to this, the synthesis of hemoglobin is disturbed and the proper quantity of hemoglobins are not formed in the affected persons, and he suffer from the deficiency of hemoglobin and takes hemoglobin by the donation time to time. Based on the changing in the chain of the hemoglobin, it is two types: alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Today, this is the various Mendelian disorders we know about, that is hemophilia, color blindness. Hemophilia and color blindness both are X-linked disease because their genes are present on the X chromosome. Whereas phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, thalassemia, these are the autosomal recessive disorder. And next disorder is chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder. This type of disorders occurs by the excess or losses of the chromosomes in the human bodies. ठीक, इस टाइप के डिसऑर्डर में क्या होता है कि नंबर्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम या तो इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं या तो डिक्रीज हो जाते हैं, जिससे बॉडी में एबनॉर्मलिटीज आ जाती है, और जो एबनॉर्मलिटीज आती है उसमें नंबर्स ऑफ सिम्टम्स होते हैं। तो ज्यादा सिम्टम्स होने के कारण इसको एक टर्म दिया गया है जिसको हम कहते हैं सिंड्रोम। सिंड्रोम मतलब व्हाट इज मीन्स ऑफ सिंड्रोम? सिंड्रोम मतलब ग्रुप ऑफ सिम्टम, ग्रुप्स ऑफ सिम्टम। तो इट इज नेरली 3 टाइप्स: डाउन सिंड्रोम, डाउन syndrome, and second is Turner syndrome, and third is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndromes. These 3 syndromes are which under chromosomal disorder. In the Down syndrome, the copy of chromosomes on the 21 pairs of autosomes. Due to this, it composed of 47 chromosomes. This was term known down is the lying down. The various symptoms of occurs to affected of this person, that is rounded head, mouth is open, mental retardation, broad flat. Various symptoms occurs in the Down syndrome affected person. And next is caused by the presence of extra chromosome in the male. That is XXY. One chromosome X is the extra. The affected person also composed of 47 chromosomes. The symptoms of this syndrome is number 1, tall stature with feminine physique, means ऐसे पर्सन जो होंगे लंबे होंगे और उसमें कुछ फीमेल्स की भी कैरेक्टर्स आ जाएंगे. सेकेंड, रूडिमेंट्री. नेक्स्ट, पुअर ब्रेस्ट ग्रोथ, स्टेरिटली, फीमेल टाइप प्यूबिक हेयर पैटर्न्स. These are the various symptoms which are related to the Turner syndrome. Next, Klinefelter syndrome. Now, this is the Turner-Felter syndrome. Next, the Klinefelter syndrome. Sorry. We know first is the Klinefelter syndrome. Next, we know about Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. What are the special features of Turner syndrome? In this syndrome, the absence of one X chromosome. Due to this, the number of chromosomes in the affected person is 45. 45 chromosomes are present in the affected persons. The symptoms of this syndrome is number 1, short stature, मतलब उसकी जो बॉडी की लेंथ होगी वो कम होगी, शॉर्ट होगी. रूडिमेंट्रीज ओवरीज. रूडिमेंट मीन्स कि ओवरी का डेवलपमेंट ठीक से नहीं हुआ रहेगा. पुअर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट. ब्रेस्ट का डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा. लैक ऑफ accessory sexual characters and they are also sterile, means इनमें रिप्रोडक्शन की पावर नहीं होगी. The affected persons have no capability of the reproductions. So these are the various syndromes. 3, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and third is Turner syndrome. The Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome both have 47 chromosomes, whereas the Turner syndrome composed of 45 chromosomes. So these are the various disorders which are related to the Mendelian disorder.